Hello, hope your Friday is going well. I'm going to go through each of your slides in different videos today to make it a little bit easier. So for reading today, we're going to read the story Little Red Riding Hood and the Big Bad Wolf. You're going to listen to the story. You're going to press play right here. And then our story that we were reading this week was Little Red and the Hungry Lion. If you remember, we talked about this book being very similar but yet different to Little Red Riding Hood and the Big Bad Wolf. So I want you to type right here in this box. You're going to list one way this story is different than Little Red and the Hungry Lion, and then list one way this story is the same as Little Red and the Hungry Lion. So we talked about this week the difference between comparing and contrasting. So comparing would be looking at the similarities, so stuff that is the same. And then contrasting would be looking at things that are different between the two stories. So that's what you're going to do for your reading.